Hey, welcome to my first video. I'm filming in my new apartment, so I'm going to do this little makeup look for you. Yeah, so just stay tuned to see how I got this quick little look for school, and thank you for watching my channel. Please ignore this little clippy. I'm just trying to get my bangs to have more volume. You can see I already started, and then I had the bright idea to record. But for my first step, I went ahead and used the Urban Decay Brow Blade. As you can see, my brows are pretty much done. Now I'm using the Adeline Moraine palette, and we're gonna go ahead and just do a basic little eyeshadow. So this is the shade Adelangles or something. There you go. I'm gonna grab another eyeshadow brush and get the Mama Moraine color. We're gonna do a crease cut. Alright, so it's essentially blended, and that was the Mama Moraine color. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of eyeliner. It's been a little bit hard doing eyeliner for me the past few days because my eyes are like swollen, I swear. I'm trying to adjust to a new latitude, but yeah, hopefully my eyes will go back down. So for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Precise All Day, and we're just gonna do some top lining. All right. Okay, my eyes are definitely still a little bit swollen, so this eyeliner will not be perfect. Do not come for me. Yesterday was my first day of classes here in Rome because I'm studying abroad, for those of you who do not know. So I had one class yesterday, and today I have majority of them, so we gotta get ready because we're gonna meet all our new classmates and professors. What I'm really pissed off about is I tried to add a class last night and it dropped me out of a class that I need. So now I have to go early and go talk to like the registrar lady. Woo! Oh, I wasn't recording that, but for my mascara, I went ahead and used the Urban Decay Wild Lash. And there's a little up-close action. Alright, now I'll be doing my Sephora Airbrush Mist for cover. I'm gonna do a little bit because it's like really hot outside. Don't want this all to melt off. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add on some concealer, and this is with the More Filter Effect in shade Light Medium. So we're gonna put some under the eye. In there. And I'm also going to contour at the same time, so I'm going to get my Fenty Beauty contour stick. Just going to blend this out. Use this beauty blender for the concealer, and then I'm going to go get another one wet to blend in the contour, just so it's not too mixed up. Okay, so I got another beauty blender wet. Now I'm just going to blend. So our contour and concealer are blended. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of powder, and we'll call it a day. So I'm going to use the, oh, wrong thing. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Just dab a little bit of that out. Okay, so we'll just let this bake for a second. Okay, so I'm just blending out that setting powder. Next step will be blush. So I'm gonna get this is my new brush for blush, so you can do blush right here, highlight on here. And this is the brand Essence, I believe, or no, it's called Eco Tools. I'm getting the Adeline Moraine palette with the Promise Ring blush. And it was called I Feel Beautiful, the blush. And then the highlight is Promise Ring. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, but I'm pretty sure this is just gonna be my basic look for today. Then I'll do a close-up after I'm done getting ready. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay tuned to see more looks. I'm going to try and adapt more European makeup styles and see what's different about the US. So let's see. Stay tuned. And after all that hair straightening, I ended up putting it in a pony because I got this freaking thing for like 20 euros and it was a waste. It barely works, and yeah, pretty irritated with that, but you live and you learn. So yeah. Please stay tuned to watch my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye!